Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're looking at the best plasma cutters you can buy in 2026, from top professional machines to reliable budget options for your workshop or garage. Whether you're cutting mild steel, stainless, or aluminum, we'll help you find the right plasma cutter for your projects, so let's get started. Starting at number 1. ARCCAPTAIN iControl Cut 55. The ARCCAPTAIN iControl Cut 55 Pro Plasma Cutter is a powerful and smart cutting machine designed for both hobbyists and professionals who need precision and efficiency in metal cutting. It delivers up to 55 amps of output power and supports dual voltage 120V/240V, allowing it to cut a wide range of materials including steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper, with a maximum cutting thickness of around 3/4 inch on 240V. Featuring non-touch pilot arc technology, it can cut through rusted, painted, or dirty surfaces without direct contact, improving cut quality and extending consumable life. The machine includes app control via Bluetooth, enabling remote monitoring and parameter adjustments, along with useful features like 2T/4T modes, smart cooling system, and post-flow control for better performance and durability. Its compact, lightweight design with a large LED display makes it easy to use and portable, while built-in safety protections and efficient cooling ensure reliable operation during demanding cutting tasks. Number 2. LTP 5600 CD Plasma Cutter. The LTP 5600 CD Plasma Cutter is a powerful and versatile cutting machine designed for both professional and DIY metalworking applications. Featuring a built-in air compressor, this 56-amp plasma cutter eliminates the need for an external air source, making it highly convenient and portable. It delivers clean cuts up to 5/8 inch and can sever materials up to 3/4 inch thick, with a maximum cutting capacity of 1/2 inch when using the internal air system. Equipped with a non-touch pilot arc, it allows for efficient cutting through rough, painted, or rusty surfaces without direct contact, enhancing both precision and durability. The drag cut capability ensures smooth operation, while the upgraded torch design improves control and performance. Its modern app-style LED control panel provides easy access to settings and real-time monitoring, making it user-friendly and efficient for a wide range of cutting tasks. Number 3. 58 Plasma Cutter. The 58 Plasma Cutter with LED display is a compact and efficient metal cutting tool designed for DIY users and home workshops. Featuring dual voltage capability, 110V/220V, it offers flexibility for use in different power environments, making it convenient for both indoor and outdoor projects. With a cutting capacity of up to 1/2 inch steel, it delivers clean, precise cuts on a variety of metal surfaces. The easy setup system and PT31 torch ensure quick installation and smooth operation, even for beginners. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry and store, while the clear LED display allows users to monitor settings and performance in real time, enhancing overall control and usability. Number 4. YESWELDER Multifunctional. The YESWELDER Multifunctional Welders Combo and Plasma Cutter MCT520 is a versatile all-in-one machine designed to handle a wide range of welding and cutting tasks with efficiency and precision. This 6-in-1 unit supports MIG, flux core MIG, plasma cutting, cut, TIG, stick welding, and spool gun compatibility, making it ideal for both professionals and advanced DIY users. With a powerful output of up to 200A for MIG, TIG, and stick welding, along with a 58 plasma cutting function, it delivers strong and consistent performance across different applications. The dual voltage capability, 110V/220V, provides flexibility for use in various environments, while its compact design ensures easy portability. Built for convenience, the MCT520 offers user-friendly controls and reliable operation, making it a practical solution for workshops, garages, and on-site jobs. Number 5. PrimeWeld Cut 6060 Amp Plasma Cutter. The PrimeWeld Cut 6060 Amp Plasma Cutter is a high-performance cutting machine built for precision and durability in both professional and home workshop settings. Featuring a powerful 60 amp output, it delivers clean and efficient cuts through a variety of metals with ease. Its non-touch pilot arc technology allows users to cut through painted, rusted, or rough surfaces without direct contact, improving cutting quality and extending consumable life. Equipped with a PT60 torch, the machine ensures stable arc performance and excellent control during operation. The dual voltage capability, 110V/220V, adds flexibility for different work environments, while its robust construction and reliable components make it a dependable choice for demanding tasks. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the Cut 60 offers both performance and peace of mind for long-term use. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the video description below. Go check them out and choose the plasma cutter that fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more gear guides and tool reviews. See you in the next video.